God will make your flavors turn into blood so red. Then he'll send some froggies to hop upon your head. Then he'll send the gnats and flies, buzzy buzz, buzz, buzz. Will you let God's people go? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Then God will make your livestock so sick that they will die. Then he'll give you boils, and they will make you cry. And hail will fall down on the ground, and grasshoppers will fly. Will you let God's people go? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Then God said to Moses, "Go take a lamb so small, paint your doorways with its flesh, and listen to my call. The firstborn sons are going to die to punish Pharaoh's lies." Pharaoh said, "You people go. You go, 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 go. You